Welcome back to Infinite Tunal, your portal to the universe's greatest mysteries. Today, we journey to the most isolated, enigmatic, and bone-chillingly cold place on Earth, Antarctica. But this isn't just a trip to see penguins and icebergs. We're peeling back the layers of ice and secrecy to ask a monumental question: what is really hidden beneath the frozen continent? From ancient maps showing an ice-free land to rumored secret bases and bizarre anomalies detected from space, something strange is going on at the bottom of the world. Antarctica is more than just a continent, it's a colossal ice sheet, in some places over 2 miles thick. This immense, frozen desert holds 90% of the world's ice and is the driest, coldest, and highest continent on average. Its sheer inaccessibility has made it a breeding ground for some of the most enduring and fascinating conspiracy theories. What if the ice is a cover-up, a colossal blanket thrown over secrets that would rewrite human history as we know it? Our journey begins with a piece of parchment that has baffled historians for centuries, the Piri Reis map. Created in 1513 by the Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis, this map is astonishingly accurate for its time. It depicts parts of the Americas with incredible detail, but the most controversial section shows a landmass at the southern pole. This landmass, which some researchers believe is Antarctica, is shown without its ice cap. How could a 16th century cartographer possibly know what the coastline of Antarctica looked like beneath the ice? Modern science tells us the continent has been frozen over for millions of years. The map's existence suggests two incredible possibilities. Either an unknown, highly advanced ancient civilization with sophisticated mapping technology existed long before us, or our understanding of Antarctica's geological timeline is completely wrong. Skeptics argue the landmass is simply a speculative drawing of the Terra Australis Incognita, a hypothetical southern continent believed to exist at the time. Yet, the coastline's resemblance to the subglacial topography of Queen Maud Land, as revealed by modern seismic surveys, is too uncanny to dismiss lightly. This brings us to one of the most talked about events in Antarctica's modern history, Operation Highjump. In 1946, just after World War II, the United States Navy launched a massive expedition to Antarctica. Led by the famous polar explorer Admiral Richard E. Byrd, the mission was officially a scientific and training exercise. The force assembled was enormous, including an aircraft carrier, 13 other ships, and nearly 5,000 personnel. They were tasked with establishing a research base, Little America 4, and testing military equipment in extreme cold conditions. But the mission ended abruptly, 6 months earlier than planned, with reports of heavy casualties and equipment losses. In a Chilean newspaper interview upon his return, Admiral Byrd was quoted as saying it was imperative for the United States to initiate defensive measures against hostile fighters from the polar regions. He spoke of objects that could fly from pole to pole at incredible speeds. What could have caused such a powerful naval force to retreat? Conspiracy theories ignited, suggesting that Byrd's fleet encountered something far beyond a simple training exercise. Some believe they stumbled upon a remnant secret base, hidden beneath the ice. The theories propose that this clandestine sanctuary housed advanced technology and personnel who fiercely defended their territory. This narrative suggests that the expedition wasn't for science, but a military operation to locate and neutralize a hidden threat. The rapid withdrawal and Byrd's cryptic comments are presented as proof that they found something they were not prepared to handle. While official records attribute the losses to the harsh Antarctic environment, the scale of the operation and its sudden termination continue to fuel speculation. Was Operation Highjump a failed attempt to confront a secret power hidden in the ice? The mystery deepens when we turn our eyes to the sky. In the age of satellite imagery, we can now scrutinize every inch of the globe from our screens. And Antarctica has revealed some truly bizarre anomalies. In 2012, satellite photos circulated online showing what appeared to be a perfectly formed pyramid-like structure jutting out of the ice. Located in the southern part of the Ellsworth Mountains, the peak has 4 distinct sides, strikingly similar to the Great Pyramids of Giza. Geologists were quick to offer a natural explanation. They identified the formation as a nunatak, which is a rocky peak that protrudes above the ice sheet. They argue that millions of years of freezing and thawing can fracture rock in such a way that it creates pyramidal shapes. but the symmetry is so precise that many find the natural explanation hard to accept. Could this be the work of an ancient civilization that once thrived in an ice-free, temperate Antarctica? The pyramid is not the only anomaly. Satellite maps have revealed strange, symmetrical entrances on hillsides, perfect circles, and even what some have described as a massive staircase leading down into the ice. Another tantalizing discovery is Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world. Buried under more than 2 miles of solid ice, this massive body of fresh water has been isolated from the outside world for at least 15 million years. Scientists have drilled deep into the ice to collect samples, discovering a unique ecosystem of microbes that have evolved in complete darkness and isolation. But what else might be living in those dark, ancient waters? The extreme pressure, cold, and total lack of light create an environment unlike any other on Earth. It's considered a perfect analog for what life might be like on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. In 2012, the Russian team drilling towards Lake Vostok temporarily lost contact after their drill finally breached the lake. This communication blackout, though brief, sparked theories that they had unleashed something from the lake or made a discovery they were instructed to conceal. What if Lake Vostok harbors not just microbes, but a complex, hidden ecosystem? Or perhaps even relics of a long-lost world, perfectly preserved beneath the ice. The veil of secrecy surrounding Antarctica is reinforced by the Antarctic Treaty System. Signed in 1959, this agreement dedicates the continent to peaceful scientific pursuits and prohibits any military activity. On the surface, it's a landmark international agreement for peace and science. However, it also means that access to much of the continent is heavily restricted. All expeditions must be approved, and large areas are designated as off-limits. This level of control has led many to believe the treaty is a tool to manage and conceal the secrets buried there. Is it really about protecting a fragile environment, or is it about protecting us from a truth we are not ready for? Perhaps the most compelling argument for a hidden history is the climate data itself. We know that Earth's climate has gone through dramatic shifts. There were times when the polar regions were warm and lush. Fossil evidence confirms this. Researchers have found fossils of ancient forests and plant life across Antarctica, painting a picture of a green continent teeming with life millions of years ago. While mainstream science places these green periods tens of millions of years in the past, long before humans evolved, some researchers challenge this timeline. They propose that a catastrophic pole shift or other global event could have flash-froze the continent much more recently. If that were the case, a civilization living in Antarctica at the time would have been buried under miles of ice in an instant. Their cities, technology, and knowledge would be perfectly preserved, waiting to be rediscovered. This idea connects all the dots: the Piri Reis map showing an ice-free continent, the pyramid-like structures, and the potential for a secret base being a rediscovery of this lost technology. It suggests that what's hidden under the ice isn't just a military base or a strange ecosystem, but the key to a lost chapter of human history. A chapter that proves we are not the first advanced civilization to walk the Earth. So, what is NASA and the world's governments hiding in Antarctica? Is it the remnants of an ancient, advanced civilization? A secret base with otherworldly technology? Or a unique ecosystem that could change our understanding of life itself? The continent guards its secrets well, wrapped in a blanket of ice and protected by the most extreme weather on the planet. For now, we are left with tantalizing clues, strange anomalies, and a deep sense of wonder. The truth, whatever it may be, is locked away at the bottom of the world. Perhaps one day the ice will melt, not due to climate change, but by a conscious decision to reveal what it has hidden for so long. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the frozen south. What do you think is hidden beneath the ice of Antarctica? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the biggest mysteries of our universe, don't forget to subscribe to Infinitunial. We'll see you in the next one.